Today I am taking the class of Microsoft Access 2010 full tutorial course in English. Students are requested to listen how to operate Microsoft Access 2010 10. The Microsoft Access have various versions. If you know one version, you can operate all the version smoothly. Now I am going to open the Microsoft Access 2010. The Microsoft Access to 2010 can open by two ways. One way is from Start menu. Start menu. If you write here MS Access will open. And other ways is press on the Microsoft software on double click. Press on double click. The Microsoft Access is opening. Please follow. You will see a file menu, home menu, create. This is called the menu, and under file you will see a lot of sub menu. So now I am opening a new blank datasheet. You see a blank database, database 2. If you have to give your file name before creating. Now I press on the create button. Now MS Access has been opened. Now question is why MS Access is useful for working. First reason is if you keep records of your school students, their serial number, roll number, their name, father's name, address, class, date of joining, date of birth, age, attached copy, or if you have to need to take database file for your employees in your organizations as usual. So you have to open, you have to take you have to take a table form. Press table. Have table. Now you have to go viewpoint. You have to take view design. Data sheet design. You wait. Press 1. So MS Access have given database design book. Now this is auto number. Now you press tab button, you will see a lot of auto number or text or number, date and time, currency, etc. Now going to descriptions. This is a this is a auto number. Now press tab. I have reached in next table field. You put a student's name. Student's name. Now press tab button. This will text. So keep the text. Now go to description. Student is name. Now press tab. Father name. Now press tab. You will text. The father name will be text. So keep the text. Put the description. Father's name. Now press tab. Address. 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 Now it will address will be made on 2 or 3 lines. Now you have to take memo. Now go to description field. This is the address details. Now come back. Press class, name of the class. This will made as number. Now go to next field, description. This is the class. This is the class details. Now go to date of birth. Now this will date and time. Now go to date of birth details. I have made. Now you can lot of fields can be added in this way. So primarily for the purpose of creating a database, I have created a table form. Now save. You see the number. Now we go to next field, student name Bimal. Next you see auto number has come. Now go to father's name. Father's name of Kanai. Address Kolkata. Name of the class ধরো C8. Date of birth, you will see a calendar box has come. Now we go to no 9th of November. Now go to next line. Press Jodu. You see auto number has come out. Komal. Father का नाम Komal. Odisha. Date of birth you have to put class 9. Date of birth you put fourth. Now go to next field. This will come, auto number will come now. Kanai. No. Ram. Father का नाम Ram. Here has come Bihar. Name class 10. He reading class 10. Now put his date of birth. To follow what I am doing, please follow. No, third doctor. Now, no, this is the. Now I want to save this file. Go to save menu. Save. Save. Now this is the menu bar. All the fields. Creating font. You see form or cross, or you can you have to go create menu. You will see report. Press report. You will see report. Or under this you can print from here. If you press print, on a printer should be opened and you will take print out. Do you understand? Now I am going to home. As now table is closed. So a dialog has come and asks us, do you want to save changes to the design of the report table 1? No. So you can add lot of candidates database. You can. Now this is the toolbars. You can bold this field. Select, bold, or if you want to italic. If you want to underline this, you can underline. So if you want to data move to left side, you press left button. Press left button. See, all the data has come to left side. Or if you want to keep the data in middle of the column, you press column. If you see the all the data has come on middle. So you do understand how to create all the table report wizard, etc. Report wizard. So now external data. This is the all the tools words. From this tool you can make as you like. Database tools, fields, table. You understand? Now I am go back to home. So how to understand? Now this is the MS Microsoft Access. How to open and create a file, database file on the MS Access software. Do you understand? Now I am closing this Access. Now I am closing, and you see, so again a dialog box has come and asks us, do you want to save changes to the layout of the table 1? I will say no. Close. So now I am ending the class for the day.